Airports are complex ecosystems where aviation operations intersect with the surrounding environment. Ensuring that this interaction is safe, compliant, and minimally disruptive requires a dedicated professional, an airport environmental officer. If you're interested in a career that blends environmental science with the fast-paced world of aviation, this could be the ideal path for you. Educational background and relevant qualifications. To embark on a career as an airport environmental officer, you'll need a solid educational foundation in environmental science, biology, or a related field. A bachelor's degree in one of these areas is typically required. Courses in ecology, environmental law, and chemistry are particularly relevant, providing the essential knowledge needed to understand and manage the environmental aspects of airport operations. Further specialization in areas such as wildlife management or environmental monitoring can also be highly beneficial, especially if you aim to focus on specific tasks like wildlife hazard management or pollution control. In some cases, pursuing a master's degree in environmental management or environmental engineering can give you a competitive edge, key responsibilities and daily tasks. The role of an airport environmental officer revolves around monitoring and managing the environmental impact of airport operations. A significant part of your job will be to oversee and mitigate pollution caused by aircraft and ground operations. This includes monitoring air and water quality, managing the use and disposal of hazardous materials, and ensuring that waste management practices adhere to environmental regulations. Another crucial aspect of the job involves monitoring and managing wildlife within the airport's vicinity. Airports are often located near sensitive habitats, and wildlife can pose risks to both aviation safety and ecological balance. You'll conduct regular assessments of local wildlife populations, implement measures to prevent bird strikes, and ensure that flora and fauna are protected from the adverse effects of airport activities. Skills and competencies required. Success as an airport environmental officer requires a blend of technical and practical skills. Strong analytical skills are essential for assessing environmental data and identifying potential risks. For example, you'll need to evaluate pollution levels and determine whether they meet regulatory standards or require intervention. Attention to detail is vital, particularly when monitoring wildlife or assessing the impact of airport operations on the surrounding environment. You'll need to be vigilant in identifying signs of environmental stress, whether it's an increase in local pollution levels or changes in wildlife behavior. Communication skills are also important, as you'll often need to report findings to airport management, regulatory bodies, and other stakeholders. Being able to convey complex environmental issues clearly and effectively will help ensure that necessary actions are taken to mitigate any risks. Gaining experience and building your career. Practical experience in environmental monitoring or wildlife management is invaluable when pursuing this career. Internships or entry-level roles in environmental agencies, wildlife conservation organizations, or within the aviation industry itself can provide you with hands-on experience in pollution control, habitat management, and environmental compliance. Networking plays a vital role in advancing your career. Joining professional organizations such as the Airport Council International, ACI, or the Chartered Institution of Water and Environmental Management, CIWEM, attending industry conferences, and staying updated on the latest trends in environmental monitoring will help you build connections and enhance your knowledge. The impact of your work. As an airport environmental officer, your work directly impacts both aviation safety and environmental health. By closely monitoring pollution levels, you help to ensure that the airport operates within safe and legal limits, protecting both the environment and the health of those who work at or live near the airport. Additionally, your efforts in managing wildlife help prevent potentially dangerous interactions between animals and aircraft, while also preserving local ecosystems. Whether you're implementing noise abatement procedures, overseeing the safe disposal of hazardous materials, or monitoring bird populations, your work plays a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance between airport operations and the environment. Becoming an airport environmental officer is a challenging and rewarding career choice for those passionate about both aviation and environmental protection. With the right education, skills, and experience, you can play a vital role in ensuring that airports operate safely and responsibly, protecting both the environment and the